Hello everyone, here we have purchased a new pressure washer which is a Challenge 140 watt. It does have 3-meter hose length, compact, lightweight for easy transport, includes ideal for cleaning, spike, patios, garden, furniture and lots of more. So let's see what we got inside. We've got the hose and the handle. Got the head, different heads. And here is the pressure washer, which it does looks very small. Dismantle the cable. So the head, it comes in two different bits. We can see that this bit does fit. This is the front bit, the head, and here is the adjustable of the pressure, as you can see in here. And you can adjust the head of the pressure washer, so it depends how you want it. And after we adjust this with the other bit, it goes in there. There you go. So this is all one now. And this one, it does go there. There you go. So there you go, perfect handle. All this out. And the exit of the water is on the back of the pressure washer. Jeez. Wait. Okay. So the house of the pressure washer, it fits right on the back of the pressure machine. Just go there, have to put it down. As you can see, it's all fitted. Let's take this out. Here we have the button, on and off, and here the entry water, so we can plug the hose pipe on this point, and then we need to plug in the socket, and after we do all of this, we are ready to go, and we're going to give a go on this decking, and we see what this challenge will do. So now is the time to see what result the challenge water pressure is going to give to us. So it's already on, as you can see. Here's the head adjusted, so how we want the water to flow. So basically, right, we are ready to go. So here is the result of this small pressure washer, which hasn't done very bad for a little Challenge pressure washer. As we can see, the result is good. Is good, and we're just gonna leave it to dry for a while, and we're gonna see how it looks all dried. So small Challenge is a good for DIY job. but not for commercial or anything else. I wouldn't recommend it. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and if you like my videos, please press the button to subscribe, and we will come with other videos later. Thank you.